Intro. High-energy music, quick clips of brutal knockouts. Narrator. Get ready for an hour of the most ruthless, jaw-dropping knockouts in women's combat sport. From bare-knuckle battles to MMA showdowns, from lightning-fast boxing finishes to devastating kickboxing strikes, this is the ultimate knockout compilation. Segment 1. Bare-knuckle knockouts. Clips of brutal bare-knuckle knockouts, slow-motion replays, reaction shots. Narrator. No gloves. No mercy. Just pure power and precision. These fearless warriors step into the ring knowing that only one can walk out victorious. Watch as these devastating punches send shockwaves through the arena. Feature fighter profiles, mini-interviews, or voiceover commentary highlighting their backgrounds and fighting styles. Include breakdowns of different striking techniques used in bare-knuckle boxing and how they differ from traditional boxing. Segment 2. MMA finishes. Clips of brutal MMA knockouts, punches, elbows, knees, head kicks, and ground-and-pound finishes. Narrator. The cage is unforgiving, and so are these fighters. When precision meets power, it only takes one shot to turn the lights out. Elbows, knees, and spinning back fists, these knockouts will leave you in awe. Include expert analysis from coaches or fight commentators breaking down the most technical knockouts. Feature stories of rising stars who have made a name for themselves with highlight reel finishes. Segment 3. Boxing KO Special. Clips of one-punch knockouts, stunning combos, and technical knockouts in boxing. Narrator. The sweet science at its most brutal. A single well-placed punch can end it all. Witness the skill, speed, and raw strength as these boxers deliver highlight reel knockout. Insert slow-motion breakdowns of perfect counters and knockouts with on-screen graphics. Include a segment comparing different boxing styles, counterpunchers versus aggressive strikers, and their effectiveness in knockouts. Segment 4. Kickboxing mayhem. Clips of devastating head kicks, spinning kicks, and knee strikes leading to knockouts. Narrator. Precision kicks, devastating knees, and unstoppable combinations. This is the art of 8 limbs in its most dangerous form. Watch these warriors unleash their full arsenal for the ultimate finish. Feature crowd reactions, dramatic angles, and slow-motion replays to amplify the impact. Include breakdowns of different striking techniques such as Muay Thai clinch work, spinning kicks, and leg kicks. Segment 5. Legendary knockouts through history. Retrospective of some of the most famous knockouts in women's combat sports, comparing past legends to rising stars. Narrator. These moments made history. Witness the legendary knockouts that defined generations and paved the way for today's champions. Feature interviews with former champions discussing their most memorable knockouts. Segment 6. Fan favorite knockouts. Audience voted or most viral knockouts from social media, showcasing fighters that gained massive popularity. Narrator. You asked for it. These are the knockouts that shook the internet and left fans speechless. Let's count them down. Include fan reactions, polls, and expert commentary on why these knockouts were so impactful. Final segment. Top 5 brutal knockouts. Countdown of the 5 most brutal knockouts of the hour, dramatic replays, commentary. Narrator. And now, it's time for the top 5 knockouts of the night. These moments will be remembered forever. Pure power, pure destruction. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Include fan reactions, social media highlights, and fighters' post-fight comments on their performances. Outro. Epic montage of the best knockouts. Outro music. Narrator. If you love the thrill of combat sports, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hard-hitting action. See you in the next round. End screen with call to action.